Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting 2 photos that match lighting and angle. This makes blending realistic. Once chosen, open your Face Swap app and import both images, then let the tool detect landmarks automatically. Make sure to enable high-quality output so the algorithm preserves skin texture and color. This reduces manual correction later. If the app asks for permissions, grant only photo access and save copies of the originals so you can revert if you need to try different settings. Once the automatic swap runs, you refine alignment. Nudge eye and mouth points until expressions match because exact placement prevents ghosting. Next, paint or adjust the mask with a soft brush and feather the edge about 10 to 30 pixels to blend skin smoothly. Sharp edges scream fake. Then balance color temperature and exposure so skin tones match. Slightly warmer or cooler tweaks unify both faces. If hair or background shows mismatch, reduce mask area or use a clone/heal tool sparingly to clean edges. You finish by exporting the highest resolution file and, if possible, save a layered version so you can undo changes later. Once done, inspect seams at different zoom levels. If you see lines or color shifts, apply gentle dodge and burn or a frequency separation workflow to even skin texture and tone. Make sure to test alternate photos or another app when landmarking fails, because sometimes a different algorithm handles tricky angles better. This single step often fixes the most persistent swaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.